it's Kate from Inkstampshare.ink. I've just had my most recent delivery arrive from Stampin' Up, and I've got quite a lot of nice goodies in there. I've been waiting for this delivery and I'm quite excited about it. There's something really nice in here. So I thought I'd share with you for a change what I've got on my delivery today. Some of it's for my customers and some of it's just for me, which is fab because I get lots of perks being a demo, so I get to order loads of lovely goodies. Anyway, I have actually started to open it. I took the tape off. I took all the big fat bubble wrap out of it because I was just about to go and dive in, and I took the plastic out. My son loved that bit, and he said, "Why don't you do an unboxing video, Mum?" And I thought, brilliant, let's go and do that. So I haven't delved in, so here we go. Now I might have to move the box. Oh yeah, I'll move the, I can't really see what you can see, but you can see it's full. I'll just move the box over this side and then I'll take everything out and show you what I've got in my box. Let's have a look. So as I say, I'm going to bring it down a little bit. You can, might be able to, sorry, that's my arm. Bring you into shot. It's all a bit impromptu, so I'm not really very organised. And I'll show you what I've got. So I have got this stamp set. I've been waiting for this because I saw a project. I saw it originally in the catalogue. Daffodils are one of my most favourite flowers. I've got some in the grate now. I have them all the time in the spring because it helps me get through the winter, the last bit. But I saw an amazing project made with this and it drew it to my attention because I kind of brushed past it in the catalogue, thought, oh, I'd rather like that, but you know, I probably won't. But this person who made the project drew to my attention that it has the spring flowers, it has Happy Birthday, it has Happy Easter, and it has Happy Mother's Day. That, I'm sold. Daffodils, I'm sold. I can't wait to use it. And it's red rubber, which is my favourite. So that's that one. Something I've been holding off, and I don't know why, for ages. I've been drooling over these, and I've managed to get the papers. Basically, I think the reason I've held off was because it was a treat for me, and this is something I'm going to keep for a long time to use in my cards, my boxes and scrapbooking and things, and it's the Magical Day bundle. And I absolutely love this. We have dragons, we have a little knight in shining armour, we have wizards and mermaids and unicorns. Hope your day is magical and you're one of a kind. And I saw this on stage when it was launched, and that was it for me. I really, really, really wanted it. But it's a bundle, so I hung out for it, and I've got the papers, and now I've got this, and I'm really excited about it. I'm a Disney freak. Anyone who really knows me well knows we go to Disney quite a lot, as much as we possibly can. So all the scrapbook pages for, you know, the sword and the stone and the wizards and the castle and the dragon, that'll be used for that. Be used for cards, definitely. So I've got the Magical Mates framelets that goes alongside it that will cut out all of these images that we stamp. I cannot wait to use it. I have the papers already. I'll grab those actually and show you what they are quickly so you get a better idea. I've not used them, I've been waiting patiently. So these are them. How gorgeous, this is all glittery, these dragons. And yeah, so all the images are on there too, and just stunning unicorns and beautiful, beautiful papers. Wizards, Harry Potter world, I can't wait to scrapbook that. Do nice children's birthday cards and projects. Yeah, I'm just, look at those mermaids and they glitter. They are, and they're cardstock weight. So, dragons. Yeah, so I was very excited about it. So I got the papers, and now today I have got the rest. So I've got the bundle that goes with it. And the other thing that I wanted to go with it that is coming in my box today is the Myths and Magic Speciality washi tape. And it's all glittery. Can you see that? And it matches the papers. Oh, I'm going to be using that a lot. It's so gorgeous. I love it. I love, love, love that. I'm so excited. So I've got those. I have a few customer orders in there. So I've got some stamp boxes and some ink pads and things like that that people needed. So I'll put those out of the way. You don't need to see all my customer orders. Essentials. I'm always running out of the envelopes, and the Stampin' envelopes are the best quality envelopes I've ever found, and they're absolutely brilliant, so I need those. I do coffee and cards, and I do classes and things like that, so I always need my envelopes. As I need the Whisper White cardstock as well, purely for all those same reasons, and there's nothing like it for stamping on, so I've got that. I have in my papers collection, I have got the floral big 12 by 12 paper stack and this year's in colours. Absolutely gorgeous, and it's about time I got onto using a lot more of it. So to make sure I've got enough of the coloured cardstock to go with it, I went for the cardstock selection in colour 2017 to 2019. So this is a great way to get all the different colours you want, and you can get lots of these with different selections in. So this is the in colour, and there's 4 sheets of each in colour, so you get 20 in the pack. So yeah, we've got the lemon lime twist, the berry burst, fresh fig. Let me think, what else is this year? Tranquil Tide, I think. Is that it? I think I've got them all. Lemon lime twist, berry burst, Tranquil Tide, fresh fig. Oh, and there's one more. It's escaping me. But yeah, they're absolutely gorgeous. So that will go from my papers I already have to make it all go a lot further. And also I have the sweet soiree, I can't say this word, the sweet soiree cardstock as well. And there's a couple of the colours that I don't use an awful lot of usually, but in that paper collection, and I want to crack on with using that. So I've got some of that as well. So we've got, we have got Marina Mist, we've got Berry Burst, and we've got one of the greens in there as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Not sure it's garden green or old olive. I'll have to open it, I can't remember. I've got some other little things I needed. I needed some tape runner glue. I needed a new Wink of Stella, because although mine had lasted forever, it had eventually run out. I needed re-inkers. I needed the powder pink and lemon lime twist. Shows what the most two popular, my most favourite colours of the in colours for this last year have been these, and my ink pads need refilling. These are a really good, cheap and inexpensive way of refilling your ink pads so they go on forever, and also your Stampin' Right markers, and you can watercolour with them and do all sorts of fun things too. Now I have a class coming up on Friday and we're doing shaker cards, so I needed these foam adhesive strips, and they are so useful for that. They all come apart and you can make your shaker cards really easily with those. So I've got some of those. I won't show this other stamp set. It's a gift for one of my team. When my team promote or reach anniversaries or goals, they all get little presents. I've been needing this for ages. 2 1/4 inch circle punch. I'm a bit of a punch girl. I use my dies all the time when I'm at home. When I go to coffee and cards, or maybe even a class sometimes, it's nice to take your punch with you. It's so portable. You don't need to take your big shot if you don't need to. So I don't take my big shot to coffee and cards, so that's really useful. Then I have got, what else have I got under here? Oh, that's something I'll show you in a minute. Also that and that. What else have I got? Oh, grid paper. Yeah, a big pack of the grid paper. You always need that. Yeah, and I was very low. So I've got the grid paper. Sunshine Wishes dies. Absolutely gorgeous. I've been wanting these for a long time. I was recently thinking, actually, I've got plenty of stamps and things like that, but you know what? For my scrapbooking, I needed some more words, already made words, if that makes sense. And I wanted ones that would be really useful, that I would be able to keep for a long time and use over and over again. So I thought this is ideal. So we have got Sunshine. It's backwards, obviously. Sunshine, congratulations, love. And I think that says hope. It's upside down. We've got the swirly heart and we've got some flowers, and these are just gorgeous. Now, my order qualified, because as a Stampin' Up demonstrator, I get the same perks as a customer when I do a big order for myself. So I got Stampin' Rewards on my order, and this is one of the things I got with my Stampin' Rewards, which was these. So it's for free, basically. Absolutely brilliant. The other big thing that I've been really waiting for on this order, I was so excited about, this is the main thing, is this. I got my Stamparatus, absolutely brilliant. So this is the brand new Stampin' Up stamping press that's been brought out this year. And we had a pre-order period in November, and this is the first release. So yeah, I mean, some of our leaders in the leadership group who collaborated with Stampin' Up to produce a really good quality product, they got rewarded with the first ones, and they've been playing with them and they look amazing. But I got on the first pre-order, so here it is. I'm going to take it out of the box and I will be just looking at it, but I will be playing with it, and I'll do some demonstrations on some of my YouTube videos, so watch out for that. It's a bit different to some of the other tools that are on the market. It's got some extra features, so absolutely brilliant, and I'm quite excited about it. Ooh, it's a bit heavier than I thought it would be. Oh, my son's going to love the bubble wrap. He's poorly today. He's off school with a horrible earache, and he's been very miserable. So his paracetamol and Nurofen is just starting to work, and he's feeling a bit more human, but off to the doctors later. But yeah, so he'll play with the bubble wrap. Oh, I've got my instructions. Oh, I'm so excited. I didn't realise I'd be this excited. How funny. So this is the tool. When you take it out of the box, it comes with a foam mat, and it also comes with your grid and your measurements as well. It's got the Stampin' Up logo on it, and then we have the plates, and the plates fit in, I believe. I've not ever used one yet. I've seen them demonstrated. Yeah, so it'll fit in this way. Then you also have another plate that fits in the top, so you can stamp that way, and then you can stamp that way. How cool is that? That's cool. So I'm very excited about it. It comes with your magnets already, super strong magnets, so be careful not to get them together because they stick. Yeah, but I will have a play, make sure I know what I'm doing with it, and then I'll do a demo on one of my YouTube videos so you can have a proper look. I'm very excited about it. Can you tell? There's not much else left in my box. I've got some Stampin' Dimensionals. I needed some of those. And then I've got my Celebration goodies that I had with my order, because for every £45 you spend, you can choose Celebration items. Or for every £90 you spend, you can choose an extra special Celebration item. So I'll show you what I got. I'm very excited because this is from the second release of Celebration. We've got some new items coming in the middle of February that we can use. And these are the Springtime Foil Speciality Papers. And I've seen them used so much, and I couldn't resist because they were just so pretty. I think I'm going to be using them a lot. Let's just open them because I'd like to show you them. I've seen a lot of people using the blends on them, and brushos and inks and colours, to give like an embossed resist finish to the project. Let's take them out of the cellophane. So it's got a rose gold foiling, which is absolutely stunning. They are single-sided, very thick cardstock, really good quality. And there are 3 of each design. So that's the one with the spots, the polka dots, the dots. That's pretty. This is like silver and gold. How lovely. I'm very excited. So there's 3 of those. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, boxes galore. Nice for presents, Mother's Day gifts and cards. 3 of those. And then I think there's another design. How stunning is that? That's absolutely gorgeous. That's in rose gold and gold. I unfortunately had a bereavement recently, but a very dear friend of mine made me a sympathy card, and she had coloured in one of these flowers and put it on the card, and it was just beautiful. Absolutely perfect. I think it would be great for all sorts of cards. Mother's Day would be great, wouldn't it? Right, so that's my Springtime Speciality Papers. I'll pop them out of the way. This was one of the other stamp sets from the second release, and it's called Eclectic Expressions, and it's got lots of background things on there, dots, and it's got a little I don't know what that is. Thank you, splodges, happy birthday, little dotty circle. Loads of different things. I've seen, that's like a moon. I've seen lots of cards made with this, so I'm looking forward to having a play with that. And the other one I've got, this is, you can get this one free. You can get them all free with Celebration, with a qualifying order. This one you can get free if you spend £45. The papers, the foiled papers, you can get free if you spend £45. This one is the step up. It's like an improved offering that they have if you spend £90. So if you spent £90 on your order and got all the things you needed, you could have 2 of the £45 ones, or you could have one of these. And this is a set of dies. Stampin' Up! Have never given away free dies in Celebration before. And I'm really excited because these are absolutely fab. These are more words. If you've been looking at anything from Stampin' Up!, you'll have seen a lot of these used recently. This says Celebrate, this says Amazing, and this says You. And it coordinates with the Amazing You stamp set, which I have got somewhere, but I'm not going to... yeah, here it is. I'm going to look for ages for it, which you've probably seen used quite a lot. And it coordinates with that, or you can use it on its own. And I've seen some really stunning projects. So, yeah, love that. Absolutely love it. So you can get that for free at the moment in Celebration. And I'm going to be using that a lot for lots of different projects. So I've got lots of freebies. I've done very well with my order. There's one last thing in the box. Look at this. I've got my limited edition, say that again, limited edition silver Stampin' Up! Anniversary pin for 30 years. Stampin' Up! Have been going for 30 years this year, and they have been giving demonstrators with their first order, with one order during this month or this quarter period, a free pin. How beautiful is that? I got one for going to on stage too, so I'm quite pleased about that. Yeah, and oh yeah, and Stampin' Up! I believe got #1 Papercraft Retailer of the Year just last week, so with the British Papercraft Awards, so we're really pleased about that too. So there you go, you've seen all the goodies that I've got, and yeah, hopefully you'll see me make lots of nice new exciting projects. And yeah, have a look on my YouTube, subscribe if you want to see what I make with them. I hope to see you again. If you want to have a look at any of the products you can buy, or any of the work I've done on my blog, just hop over to inkstampshare.ink. Thanks for stopping by.